Welcome to Factory Stack. In this video, we will walk through installing GE Historian 2024, a key part of the software stack we use in many manufacturing environments. You'll see how quickly we can get it installed and collecting data from a popular OPC server. So let's mount the GE Historian ISO and click Install Historian Server. For this simple install, we will use the default locations. We will not create Historian security groups, and we will select Historian Single Server with no certificates for the simplest of installations. With the Historian server installed, the next step is to install the Historian collectors. This has changed significantly from previous Historian versions. Collector instances now are managed in Configuration Hub, which allows connectivity to various protocols such as OPC, OPC UA, MQTT, and more. At just over 6.5 minutes, we have the Historian server and collectors installed. Now we need to install the web-based clients, which includes Configuration Hub. The web-based clients have more configuration steps, but the defaults can be used in most instances. When it comes to Proficy authentication and Configuration Hub, you will want to write down your admin client secret. This will be used to log into Configuration Hub later in the video. All required software is installed at the 15-minute mark. This includes the Historian server, all of the Historian collectors, and the web-based client, which includes Configuration Hub. Now we need to log into Configuration Hub to create a collector instance and collect data from a popular OPC server, the Industrial Gateway Server, a rebranded version of Kepware KepServer EX. When you get into Configuration Hub, you'll see on the left-hand side the Historian is listed. Go ahead and click on that and click on Collectors. In this section, we will add a collector, and that collector type is going to be of type OPC. We'll then get the details for the hard drive information and select the Industrial Gateway OPC server. Once that's selected, go ahead and add the collector. And once that collector is added, we can click on it and start it. Now that the collector is starting, we can go ahead and hit the refresh button and see that it's actually running. With the collector running, we can go ahead to the tags section and add tags from that collector. So go ahead and select the OPC server, or actually go ahead and select the collector, and browse the folder. In this case, we're going to look for line 1 filler, and go ahead and select all the tags. Now we've added 8 tags for collection, and we'll go ahead and go into the classic Historian Administrator. And in here we can see that we're already starting to collect. And we can go ahead onto the tags section and add more tags if we want. So in this case, we'll go to the palletizer, Central Pal, and select all the tags from there. If we do another search, we can see that all of the tags are listed. And if we want, we can go ahead and select all the tags from the MCC panel. Now that we have a bunch of tags listed, we can see if it has started collecting the data yet. We can see that it hasn't quite begun collection, but it should start in the next 15 to 20 seconds. Now we can see that we've got a good value, and while it's 0, it is collecting data. So let's go ahead and close this out and go ahead over to the configuration hub and take a look at the same information. And we can see here, viewing the last 10 data points, that we are collecting data. This exercise shows that with GE's Enterprise Level Historian, you can install and collect data from your plant floor in under 20 minutes.